come a small experiment. So I have two balloons and one needle. So what I am trying to do here, so now just I am trying to insert this needle in the center of the balloon. See this. So this is the center of the balloon. I am inserting this needle. So it is easily inserted. Okay. Na? So the needle is easily inserted in the balloon. When I has come to the needle and take this and enter anywhere in the other part of the needle, so the balloon is blast. Why? Because due to the density. See here. So this density is very low, whereas the density in the center is more. See now. So due to the density, so the needle is entering in the center part, whereas in the other parts there is density is very less. We are taking one alternate topic and one balloon and one empty balloon. So give the empty balloon. So this is the empty balloon and this is the balloon filled with air. So now what I am doing, I am taking one small stick and I am trying to take the equal amount of thread and I am tie this empty balloon and this air filled balloon to the stick, and I will show you this. See, this is the thing. So now you can easily see this. See here. So the balloon filled with air comes down, whereas empty balloon goes up. See, empty balloon goes upside and the balloon with air comes down. So by this experiment we declared that air has weight. Okay, so air has weight. See, now this is a full balloon with air and this is an empty balloon. So now see, so the empty balloon is coming up, so there is no weight. So the balloon with air comes down. So we decide that balloon has weight. So this by this experiment we proved that air has weight. Thank you for watching.